In the previous video, we already learned about the concept of routing. Now, in this video, we are going to use another case. Let's remove several things that not used. And then let's import one more router. Let's change the router name. This is router 1 and this is router 2. Let's connecting router 1 to router 2. And from router 2 to PC2. For the IP address, in PC2 still 192.168.2.10. And for PC1 also still 192.168.1.10. And then interface between router also need an IP address. Let's say here the IP address is 10.10.10.1/24 and here 10.10.10.2/24. Here we just focus on configuring the IP address. We are not talking about routing yet. We will talk about routing later in the next video. Let's start with router 1. Check the IP address. Do show IP interface brief. Okay, here for fast Ethernet 0/0, the IP address is correct, which is 192.168.1.1. But fast Ethernet 0/1, the IP address should be 10.10.10.1. Let's change it. Interface fast Ethernet 0/1. Here we don't need to no shutdown because the interface is already up. But here the light is still red because interface in the router 2 is not enabled yet. So here let's just configure the IP address. IP address 10.10.10.1 255.255.255.0. Next, let's configure IP address on router 2. No, enable, configure terminal. Let's configure fast Ethernet 0/0 first. So interface fast Ethernet 0/0, no shutdown, and then IP address 10.10.10.2 255.255.255.0. Next, let's configure fast Ethernet 0/1. So interface fast Ethernet 0/1, no shutdown, IP address 192.168.2.1 255.255.255.0. Okay, we have done configuring IP address on router 1 and router 2. I think enough for this video. In the next video, we are going to talk more about routing. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video.